Hey, what's going on, guys? Make sure you guys subscribe, turn your noise on, and leave a like for future videos. Catch you guys there. Peace. Please, why do you always wait for a wick before to get an entry? Because, for example, there's different types of wicks. All right, there's different types of wicks.
There's wicks 9.
There's a candle pushing up like this above the range, closing bullish with no top wick, meaning that there's no range to actually continue up, right? And then there's a candle like this, obviously a bearish candle with no bottom wick, closing indicates that there's no range to continue down. Okay, and then there's another candle looks like this, where it opens up and it has no bottom wick on a bullish closure. In this case, I'll usually stay out. I spent like 3 months back testing this on the live streams with you guys. Every time we have no bottom wick, I usually tend to see the price would usually come down to give us a bottom wick on the next candle before pushing back up. So I would not enter. Let's say, for example, we get a closure above a range where we have no bottom wick. I wouldn't enter because I would expect price to come down to give us a bottom wick before it flips again. All right. I'll stay out of those positions. And then obviously vice versa, same thing with the bearish candle, closing with opening of no top wick and closing like this bearish. So let's say we close like this below the range. I'll probably stay out because I expect the next candle to continue up to give us a top wick like this before it continues down. So what I end up seeing here is price usually ends up breaking the highs and then flips bearish like this to continue down, right? It's a situation where it's more of like a 60-40% win scenario. I would like to stay out. I wouldn't be comfortable taking that. It just doesn't make sense. Why would I take a 60% when I can take a 80% winning trade or winning scenario? So this is the thing. Last year I didn't know that. Last year I didn't know how to avoid fake outs. Last year I was just like, oh, that's a fake out. I got in a fake out. I never found ways to adapt, never found ways to, anticipate fake outs and how to avoid them. And that was all this year. Same with those wick scenarios right there, right?
Oh my god, right at it.
Ooh, 1 hour close below. We have no top when this current kind of high. If we're able to reflip bullish here, but I gotta see here. I gotta really see. We had a support right around there in the 30. We closed right at it.
That closed below for me on my resistance or support. Sorry.
If we get like a decent wick, push up like what, 9-10 pips here, whatever it is, and reflip bearish, I may consider it. But because the 1 hour closed below as well, that support, that's another thing that I'm looking heavy towards. But again, we need a top wick on this current candle. We need a top wick. With the ADM volume too, I expect price to continue to push down with that volume. So I'm not in there, chat, by the way, for those who are asking. I'm not in a position yet. I'm waiting here for a top wick to be formed on this new candle. Hopefully something decent. If you drive down with no top wick, then ciao bella, peace and love. I'm not in it.
This is gonna drive 8 a.m. volume.
Yeah, you got that volume ADM here.
No push, no entry for us. That's okay.
I mean, GJ, am I gonna take a short? Yeah, so if GJ is somehow able to continue up here, maybe continue up to create the support here, and then continue up towards the top of the range like this, I may be looking for positions either one at this resistance or two. If we close above, I'll look to see if we can close like back in the range, like this, to continue down to retest the lows, and then continue down for the rest of the day. Because I do believe we have a lot more selling momentum today, and the day's definitely not over yet. So let's see what happens.
What you just drew out would give that 1 hour a top wick as well.
I was gonna say something. Yep. 1 hour top wick be formed. We can get over that, and it'll be all goody.
Yeah, we can get over that.
Yeah, because
it's true.
If we close the no top wick on the hourly, like the whole next hour of the candle, we're gonna be like botted by it, and we're not gonna take any positions.
Yeah.
So
yeah, at least I am. I know I am.
And chat, it's okay. It's okay not to take positions. I rather take our positions that we're like 100%. Everything is to the T. Everything makes sense. There's no confliction. Then take a position that has like a flaw that I don't like, and it's not worth it. You're gonna lose a trade. You have a high chance to lose a trade, and it's like you feel like shit after. You're like, wow, I should have just waited. There's no point.
Measured it yet.
He hasn't measured. Oh, look what we have, Andre. We have the top wick being formed on GJ. Okay. Now, see, chat. Andre, are you able to make, not Andre, Tyler, later on, are you able to maybe clip that? How we talk about having no top wicks and price usually comes up to give us that top wick. We talked about it like this morning. And then this is a perfect example of it. How now we have that top wick on a 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Now we're starting to reflip bearish. So maybe in today's video later, we can clip that into it. That'd be something that's very important. That was a W. We stayed out. We weren't comfortable with it, and now we may get another opportunity with it if we close bearish at resistance here. So the vibes are back, baby.